The secret weapon every contractor hides. BOSCH BT300 elevator tripod exposed. Ever felt like your tripod is secretly sabotaging your work? You're setting up for that critical measurement, and suddenly everything's wobbly, unstable, or just won't reach the height you need. Drop a yes if this sounds painfully familiar. You're definitely not alone in this daily construction nightmare that's stealing your precision and profit. Picture this: deadlines breathing down your neck, clients watching every move, and your equipment decides to play games. The stress compounds when simple tasks take triple the time they should. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos to your already packed day. What if stability wasn't a luxury? Enter the BOSCH BT300 heavy-duty aluminum elevator tripod, the silent hero that transforms measurement madness into smooth precision. With its revolutionary elevator column that extends from 47 to 110 inches, this isn't just another tripod, it's your new secret weapon. One contractor saved 3 hours on a ceiling installation simply by using the hand crank adjustment instead of constantly repositioning legs. Here's the insider trick pros won't share. That 300-pound capacity means you can mount virtually any laser without a wobble, even in wind. The aluminum construction keeps it at just 16 pounds. Heavy enough for rock-solid stability, light enough that you won't dread carrying it. This beast doesn't just stand there, it elevates your entire workflow with that smooth geared column that feels like butter when you're dialing in exact heights. Keep reading for the bonus feature that makes competitors irrelevant. The efficiency gains are almost unfair. Crews report finishing leveling tasks 30% faster, according to industry analysts who track these metrics obsessively. It's been 3 years of daily abuse, and it still operates like new, raves one construction specialist who's tried everything. Professional surveyors can't stop talking about the vibration resistance at full extension. Imagine laser-sharp readings even on windy days. One framing crew leader confessed, "I've knocked it over, rained on it, covered in sawdust. This thing is immortal." The quick-release leg locks save precious seconds that compound into hours over a week. Which feature would revolutionize your workflow first? The elevator column or the bomb-proof stability? Comment below. Influencers are calling it the tripod that bridges consumer-grade and surveyor-grade equipment while maintaining a price that doesn't require selling a kidney. Even skeptics admit that time saved pays for itself within months. The sensory satisfaction of that smooth crank mechanism turning, the solid click of those lever locks engaging, it's almost therapeutic after fighting inferior equipment. Real users report their expensive lasers finally perform at full potential, with one saying, "My readings are consistently more accurate since switching." Can you really afford not to upgrade when precision directly impacts your reputation?
Limited availability alert. Bosch can barely keep these in stock as thousands of pros already discovered this game changer. Join the elite contractors who refuse to compromise on stability and precision. Your competition probably hopes you'll stick with that wobbly disaster you're using now. Don't let another job suffer from equipment that fights against you. Click now and unlock the secret adjustment technique that makes setup twice as fast. Secure yours today before the price jump hits next month.